Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion beginner versus pro usage. For beginners, starting with simple pages and basic text formatting is key. Focus on understanding blocks like text, headings, and bullet points. Professionals, however, immediately dive into advanced database properties, linked views, and custom templates. They leverage relations and formulas from day one to build interconnected systems, transforming Notion into a powerful, dynamic workspace for complex projects and information management. Beginners typically use Notion databases for straightforward lists, like tracking tasks or simple notes. They might have one or two properties per item. In contrast, Notion pros construct intricate relational databases, linking multiple tables together. They utilize advanced features such as formulas for calculations, roll-ups to aggregate data from related entries, and complex filters to display specific information, creating highly organized and interconnected data systems for managing vast amounts of information efficiently. For beginners, managing Notion often involves manual updates and organization. You might drag and drop pages or manually change property values. Professionals, however, embrace automation. They implement custom buttons to trigger actions, set up recurring templates for consistent content, and use advanced block types like synced blocks for efficiency. They also personalize their workspaces with custom icons and cover images, creating a highly functional and aesthetically pleasing environment tailored to their specific workflows. Beginners usually share individual Notion pages, granting basic read or edit access to a few collaborators. The focus is on simple document sharing. Professionals, conversely, manage entire team workspaces with granular access levels, defining who can view, edit, or comment on specific sections. They also integrate Notion with external tools like Slack or Google Calendar, creating seamless workflows and ensuring efficient communication and project management across their entire organization, enhancing overall productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.